Damn.
Fireworks. They're doing the national anthem.
Yeah. Cigarette. The bottle from Terry. I want to take a drink now, please.
You have it.
Good job. Merry Christmas, everybody. God bless you all. God bless America for reals. Praise God. Look at that. Beautiful. I fucking love it. I'm sorry. I keep cussing. I'm sorry. I'm going to shut up, mama. Here, mama. I know. Look at that.
Going up.
Shh. Terry, watch the fireworks.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I can't see. I don't have my glasses on.
It's beautiful.
I hope so. I'll see it later when I
Zoom
put
in
my
a little
glasses
bit.
on. No.
Yes.
Too much. Okay, right there. Perfect.
You want me to hold it?
No. Too much. I want to see off the water. You understand?
Oh, look at that.
See where it is, mama? See?
Yeah.
You did too much. There you go. Look, mama.
Look at that.
I got it coming off the water like beautiful, dude. Every year. Well, not here, but hey. From now on, hey.
You dropped it.
And next year we're coming here, dude. Well, I don't know if that. Well, they probably will. That might be like one of our 35 shot things. You know what I mean? Because that's not at Nashville Shores.
That is Nashville Shores.
Oh, yeah, it is. They're lighting it off the edge.
Yes.
Holy crap. I just looked up. Holy crap. Damn. I need to stop looking at this. Here, you take video. I want to look at this. Where's my glasses at? Oh, my God. My glasses are in my car.
Don't worry about it, baby. Just watch.
Oh, my. I need my glasses. Look at how pretty. And I don't even have my glasses on. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. For real. God bless us all. Merry Christmas. God bless us all, for real. I see where they're lighting it now.
Yeah.
Pay attention. Well, I wasn't paying attention. I just.
Don't move me.
I'm sorry. I need a drink. Terry.
You got it. Beautiful.
I definitely need light. Oh, shit.
Baba. I can't record anymore. You're gonna have to do
Are you
it.
fucking serious?
Yeah, my arms.
I got you. I got you, mama. Hold on. Give me 1 minute. 1 minute. I got you. Go. Relax. You're good, mama. I can't see. I ain't got no glasses.
You got it perfect.
Do I?
Yes.
I just see. I could tell the reflection.
You got it perfect.
I could tell the reflection on the bottom. I just can't. My brain works, so I could know what I'm doing, but we should have brought the dogs.
No.
Yeah, they would have loved this shit. Why are my legs shaking? What the fuck? I just noticed that. My legs twitch, mama. What the fuck does that mean? How about if I just
Stand up if you have to.
nah?
That's beautiful, dude.
I'm thinking I got off the water.
Look at that.
America. America. America.
God bless USA.
America.
God bless USA.
No, goddamn. Damn, don't hurt me. Ooh, that was pretty. That was really pretty. That was like green and something weird. I don't know. I don't have my glasses on, so I keep saying that, don't I? Lincoln, I'm glad I live here. Boom. Boom.
Look at all those boats.
I know. What?
Look at all those boats.
Oh, I know. Thousands. Here, let me sideways. All these boats taking video of this shit. God bless y'all. Safe journey, space fans. Badass, mama.
And look, they respected it. And
Are you happy?
Yes, look, they respected everything and
I
turned off
love
their
you.
lights.
I know. Are you happy?
Yes, no lights.
Lincoln, are you happy, mama? Good.
These are pretty.
Tomorrow we got more.
That's a good song.
What song is it? Oh, God bless.
Uh,
Have you never heard?
Who is it, mama? I don't know. No, I haven't.
Listen.
I can't hear. But I got you. I could hear the rhythm. Then sing it to me. There you go. Sing it to me.
Forget the one that died, who gave that right to me, and I gladly stand up next to you.
Louder. I can't hear.
I don't remember this part. This place.
God bless the USA. Fuck yeah. God bless us all.
When we get home, I'll play it for you.
Merry Christmas.
You hear me? Bye-bye.
Fuck yeah, for real.
When
What?
we get home, I'll play
Oh, I'm sorry, lady. Damn
Did
it.
you hear me?
What, mama?
When we get home, I'll play it for you.
Okay. I think I remember something about that song.
It's a good song.
Yeah, I'm a motherfucking crazy.
It makes me cry. It makes me cry because I'm so thankful that I'm not in another third world country.
Okay, we're not talking about that today. We're just celebrating
Anyway.
the good times of this motherfucking goddamn planet. The whole world should do this. Freedom is a right for everyone. Equality, look at that shit. Equality for all. We have the God-given right to be equal.
Look at that. Oh, Legend would have loved this, Lincoln.
Yeah, he would have.
Yes, he would have. Look at that. Oh.
Merry Christmas. Yeah!
Is it over?
We might have maybe 1, 2, maybe.
No, they turned on their lights.
Ah.
Anyway,
I love y'all. God bless y'all, and everybody have a safe